How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time? Here's a method you can try. First, open the Settings app on your phone. In the search bar, type Date and Time. Then open the Date and Time settings. Turn Set Automatically off. Now, manually change your phone's date and time to a point close to when the message was originally sent. In some cases, users try setting the date a day or two after the message was sent. After changing the date and time, close Settings and open WhatsApp. Go to the chat containing the message you want to remove. Press and hold the message, then tap the Delete icon. If the Delete for Everyone option appears, tap it and confirm the deletion. Once you're done, return to Settings, open Date and Time, and turn Set Automatically back on, so your phone uses the correct date and time again. Keep in mind, this method does not work consistently on the latest versions of WhatsApp, because WhatsApp now checks message timing with its servers. If you don't see Delete for Everyone, the message has likely passed WhatsApp's deletion time limit, and only Delete for Me will be available. And that's it. That's how you can try to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.